Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In last video, HTML course 2, we showed you how to make a button link to go to whatever link you want to go to. So yeah, we're going to show you, this is another unedited video because I don't feel like editing. So here is, this actually I have to restart this, so give me 1 second. Just start it up like normal. You want to press, yeah, I'm sure you already know this, so not going to take you step by step because you are going beginner to intermediate. So here we go, YouTube tutorial.html. Don't worry about this HTML course 2.webm. That was the YouTube video. HTML course 2. And if you hear any rain outside, it's because it's raining outside today. So yeah, here's the code from last video. We showed you how, I just showed you that. So in today's video, I want to show you how to add an image to your little domain that you're making, your little website that you're making. So we'll go search up Apple. Let's go to images. Alright, and we'll say, let's try, we'll just say, I want this apple. Why not? Save image as. You want to put it in this YouTube tutorial file or whatever file it is. So save it. It's just called download.jpg for me. So here we go. You can go back into your code and you want to restart this. Open CodePad. Close identified JS out. Open project. Click open. And then your download.jpg image is there. So what we want to do is put this under the button. So we'll add this under here. You want to say image source is equal to whatever it is right here that has popped up. So download.jpg, and you want to add the width and height. So width is equal to 250 by height is equal to 300. I believe that's how you do it. Control S. I'm very, very sure. Yeah, there you go. So here's your apple. So that's how you add an image. Now we want this to be a little thicker. So let's say, we don't want it to be a square, but let's just see what this would look like. Hey, that's actually pretty good. So you want to center this image. So the same thing that you did with the button, you just come here, do img curly brackets, and you want to do display is block. It's literally the same thing. Margin dash left is equal to auto, and margin dash right is also equal to auto. So yeah, that's how you add an image, and you want to save that. And then it's in the very middle. Now say you want this image to be a link or act like a button. So you want to go to, you want to come to here, and this image, you want to put it in an A tag. Now, a tag is a link tag. So, as we showed in the last tutorial, form action equals https://google.com. So to make a shorter one of those, you do an A tag. Now this A tag is meant for a link. So you want this A tag to go in href equals whatever domain you want, or file. Say if I had another file name, index.html, I would just put index .html, and when I click on this image, it would take me to that file that you coded. So we're just going to put a link. And there you go. And now to put this into here, you want to make it wrap around this image. So you just want to do /A. Control S, and there you go. And I need to change this button to www. Forgot to do that last episode. Here, refresh, and down here at the bottom, right here, pops up HTTPS, and that acts like a button now. So we have a button, goes to whatever link, and a image that goes to whatever link. So there you go, that's your little bonus tutorial. I'm going to rename all the videos to what you learn in that episode. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a much shorter video, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and like, subscribe, and hit those notifications.